In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the sound input and output on your Mac. This works on a Mac desktop, laptop, it does not matter. The first method is to click on the Apple icon in the upper left-hand corner and then go to System Settings. Once under System Settings, you want to scroll down till you see Sound. You'll see the little sound icon here and click into that. So the first option is to just come here under System Settings and you'll see your outputs, and then this other tab here shows your inputs. Now, an output is how you listen or hear the audio coming from your computer. The input is obviously any microphone or any audio you're putting into the computer. So for my sake, it's going to be my Rodecaster audio interface here. I also have the built-in microphone here and a camera microphone, and you can see here, here's the different volume levels, and here is the input levels. And if we switch back to output, this lets us know where we want the audio to play from. So for me, I want it to be the computer or my MacBook's speakers, so I will select that. In order to change the input or output, you just select or click into one of these options here, and it will change the input or output. Another way of changing these two things is in the menu bar here, you're going to see something that looks like two lines. This is your command or control center here. If we go right here, we can click on that. You should see an option here that says sound. If we just click on that, it will automatically take us to this area here where we can choose from a number of different outputs, adjust the volume levels, as well as go directly to sound settings, which is where we were just at. And the last thing that I want to show you is once again clicking on the Apple logo, going to System Settings, and then once under System Settings, you want to scroll down until you see the menu bar here as you see the menu bar. And then right here where it says sound, change the drop-down menu to always show. That way you will see the little sound icon in your menu bar and you can click on it and choose from your outputs here with just a couple of clicks. That's how you change your inputs and outputs as far as audio on your Mac. If you have any further questions, I'll have a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.